अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की इस वीडियो में हम आपके साथ 2026 के वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर शेयर करेंगे। ये वो करंट अफेयर हैं जो आने वाले पेपरों और इंटरव्यू में आपसे पूछे जा सकते हैं। अगर आप किसी पेपर या इंटरव्यू की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो आप ये क्वेश्चन ज़रूर पढ़ें ताकि आपका पेपर और इंटरव्यू कवर हो सके। अगर आप किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम में पूछे जाने वाले सब्जेक्ट और जितने भी सब्जेक्ट उसमें इंक्लूड होते हैं वो तमाम सब्जेक्ट जो हमने अपने फुल कोर्स में इंक्लूड कर दिए हैं। और अगर आप इस फुल कोर्स को हमसे लेना चाहते हैं तो आप दिए गए इस व्हाट्सअप नंबर पर हमसे रब्ता करें, हम आपको PDF में प्रोवाइड कर देंगे। तो जिन दोस्तों ने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आने वाली हर वीडियो को नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले मिल सके। वीडियो को लाइक और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और वो किसी भी जॉब टेस्ट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं।
Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif addressed the passing out ceremony at which institution on the 27th of June, 2026? Option A. Pakistan Military Academy. Option B. Pakistan Naval Academy. Option C. National Defense University. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Pakistan Military Academy.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
Which party formed government in Gilgit-Baltistan after winning the most seats in the June 2026 elections? Option A. Pakistan People's Party. PPP. Option B. Pakistan Muslim League. Nawaz. Option C. Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. PTI. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Pakistan People's Party, PPP.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
In June 2026, Pakistan helped the US reach an agreement with which country? Option A. China. Option B. Russia. Option C. Iran. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Iran.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
Who is the current Inspector General, IG, of Sindh Police? Option A. Jord Alam Odho. Option B. Ghulam Nabi Memon. Option C. Mushtaq Ahmed Mahar. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Ghulam Nabi Memon.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
Who is the current Speaker of Gilgit-Baltistan? GB. Assembly. Option A. Amjad Hussain Azhar. Option B. Imran Nadeem. Option C. Haji Gulbar Khan. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Imran Nadeem.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
What is the ranking of Pakistan in the Global Peace Index 2026? Option A. 154th. Option B. 152nd. Option C. 153rd. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is 152nd.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
The Islamabad Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, between the US and Iran singed in June 2026 for how many days? Option A. 60 days. Option B. 90 days. Option C. 30 days. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is 60 days.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
Name the president of Iran who is currently on official visit to Pakistan in 2026. Option A. Ibrahim Raisi. Option B. Hassan Rouhani. Option C. Masoud Pezeshkian. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Masoud Pezeshkian.
Next question.
President of which country Masoud Pezeshkian made an official visit to Pakistan in 2026? Option A. Afghanistan. Option B. Iran. Option C. Israel. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Iran.
Next question.
Who is the current Chief Justice of Pakistan? CJP. Option A. Justice Umar Ata Bandial. Option B. Justice Qazi Faiz Isa. Option C. Justice Yahya Afridi. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Justice Yahya Afridi.
Next question.
IMF approved how much loan as part of Pakistan bailout in January 2024? Option A. 400 million United States dollars. Option B. 700 million United States dollars. Option C. 900 million United States dollars. Option D. 500 million United States dollars. The correct answer is 700 million United States dollars.
Next question.
When did Barrister Sultan Mahmood Chaudhry, President of Azad Jammu and Kashmir, passed away at the age of 71? Option A. February 2026. Option B. January 2026. Option C. March 2026. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is none of these.
Next question.
Who is the current Director General of the Federal Investigation Agency? FIA. Option A. Dr. Usman Anwar. Option B. Rifat Mukhtar Raja. Option C. Abdul Khalik Sheikh. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is none of these.
Next question.
Who is the current Chief Justice of Balochistan High Court? Option A. Justice Hashim Khan Kakar. Option B. Justice Jamal Khan Mandakale. Option C. Justice Rosie Khan. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Justice Hashim Khan Kakar.
Next question.
Who is the current Deputy Chairman of Senate of Pakistan? Option A. Yusuf Raza Jalani. Option B. Sardar Ayaz Sadiq. Option C. Seedul Khan Nazir. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Seedul Khan Nazir.
Next question.
Which party appeared to be in a comfortable position to form the government in Gilgit-Baltistan after winning the 2026 polls? Option A. PTI. Option B. PMLN. Option C. PPP. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is PPP.
Next question.
Fatima Sana belongs to which country who set a women's T20 World Cup record? Option A. Pakistan. Option B. South Africa. Option C. New Zealand. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Pakistan.
Next question.
How many registered voters were set to cast vote in general elections 2024 in Pakistan? Option A, 126 million. Option B, 124 million. Option C, 128 million. Option D, 132 million. The correct answer is 128 million.
Next question.
What is Pakistan's GDP growth target for FY 2026-27? Option A, 4%. Option B, 5%. Option C, 6%. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is 4%.
Next question.
PPP became the largest political party in the June 2026 Gilgit-Baltistan elections by winning how many seats? Option A, 12 seats. Option B, 10 seats. Option C, 14 seats. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is 10 seats.
Next question.
Which party is leading the June 2026 Gilgit-Baltistan election race? Option A, Pakistan Muslim League, Nawaz. Option B, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, PTI. Option C, Pakistan People's Party, PPP. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Pakistan People's Party, PPP.
Next question.
Which political party emerged as the largest party in the 2026 Gilgit-Baltistan elections? Option A, PMLN. Option B, PTI. Option C, PPP. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is PPP.
Next question.
What total amount has been allocated for defense affairs and services in Pakistan's federal FY 2026-27 budget? Option A, 2.25 trillion rupees. Option B, 3 trillion rupees. Option C, 3.50 trillion rupees. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is 2.25 trillion rupees.
Next question.
On what date was the Pakistan federal budget for FY 2026-27 officially presented? Option A, June 5th, 2026. Option B, June 10th, 2026. Option C, June 12th, 2026. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is June 12th, 2026.
Next question.
What is the defense budget for Pakistan's federal budget for FY 2026-27? Option A, 3 trillion rupees. Option B, 4 trillion rupees. Option C, 5 trillion rupees. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is none of these.
Next question.
What is the FBR tax collection target for Pakistan's federal budget for FY 2026-27? Option A, 15 trillion rupees. Option B, 13 trillion rupees. Option C, 11 trillion rupees. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is 13 trillion rupees.
Next question.
What is the inflation target for Pakistan's federal budget for FY 2026-27? Option A, 8.2%. Option B, 7.2%. Option C, 6.2%. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is 8.2%.
Next question.
What GDP growth target has been set for Pakistan's federal budget for FY 2026-27? Option A, 5.0%. Option B, 4.0%. Option C, 3.0%. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is 4.0%.
Next question.
Who among the following presented Pakistan federal budget FY 2026-27? Option A, Muhammad Ishaq Dar. Option B, Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif. Option C, Muhammad Aurangzeb. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Muhammad Aurangzeb.
Next question.
What is the total outlay of Pakistan's federal budget FY 2026-27? Option A, 18.77 trillion rupees. Option B, 17.77 trillion rupees. Option C, 16.77 trillion rupees. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is 18.77 trillion rupees.
Next question.
Which political party won most seats in the 2026 Gilgit-Baltistan elections? Option A, PMLN. Option B, PPP. Option C, PTI. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is PPP.
Next question.
The current federal ombudsman of Pakistan is Option A, Naveed Kamran Bullock. Option B, Ijaz Ahmed Qureshi. Option C, Tariq Mahmood. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Ijaz Ahmed Qureshi.
Next question.
Pakistan Air Force Day is celebrated on Option A, the 6th of September. Option B, the 7th of September. Option C, the 8th of September. Option D, the 9th of September. The correct answer is the 7th of September.
Next question.
Which team is the winner of Pakistan Super League? PSL 2020. Option A, Islamabad United. Option B, Karachi Kings. Option C, Quetta Gladiators. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Karachi Kings.
Next question.
The dam inaugurated in October 2020 by the Sindh government in Nagar Parkar, District Thar Parkar, was Option A, Kalidas Dam. Option B, Sohan Dam. Option C, Ninghara Dam. Option D, Dasu Dam. The correct answer is Calidus Dam.
Next question.
Pakistan's Field Marshal Asim Munir visited which country on the 22nd of May 2026? Option A, India. Option B, Iran. Option C, Israel. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Iran.
Next question.
Name the Army Chief of Pakistan who made official visit to Iran in May 2026. Option A, Qamar Javed Bajwa. Option B, Raheel Sharif. Option C, Asim Munir. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Asim Munir.
Next question.
Who becomes the first female judge of the Supreme Court of Pakistan? Option A, Justice Aisha Malik. Option B, Justice Sayeeda Tahira Safdar. Option C, Justice Ashraf Jahan. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Justice Aisha Malik.
Next question.
Which Secretary General of United Nations visited Lahaina Sindh during the rain emergency? Option A, Kofi Annan. Option B, Kurt Waldheim. Option C, Ban Ki-moon. Option D, Antonio Guterres. The correct answer is Antonio Guterres.
Next question.
Who was awarded a Royal Gold Medal for Architecture by Royal Institute of British Architects? Option A, Nayar Ali Dada. Option B, Yasmin Lari. Option C, Kausar Bashir Ahmed. Option D, Habib Fider Ali. The correct answer is Yasmin Lari.
आई होप आप दोस्तों को वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। तो जिन दोस्तों ने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आने वाली हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले मिल सके। वीडियो को लाइक और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें अगर वो किसी भी जॉब टेस्ट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो। और अगर आपने शुरू से लेकर एंड तक वीडियो वॉच की है तो आपने अपना स्कोर ज़रूर कमेंट में मेंशन करना है कि आपके अंदाजे में कितने क्वेश्चन जो थे वो राइट थे और आपने कितने रॉन्ग किए हैं और कितने राइट किए हैं, ये आपने ज़रूर कमेंट में मेंशन करना था। अल्लाह हाफिज़।